This is the CRAFTSMAN 25cc two-stroke leaf blower. It's a really great item. I've been using this for a few weeks now and I'm very happy with it. I previously had a four-stroke leaf blower and just the motor died on it, so I wanted to pick a new one up, and CRAFTSMAN's a really great brand, so I gave this one a shot. I was kind of wary about the two-stroke oil because I really don't like having to mix it if I don't have to, but I'm very pleased with this. This thing runs great. It starts up really nice and easy. You can see here it's got the setting start, warm up, and run, so you just click this to wherever you need it to be, and then basically you're going to just set this. It's got the cruise control in here, so it holds down on here, and it's got the on and off switch right here, and then the fan, the exhaust is right here. You can see it just clips in here. It comes in three parts: 1, 2, and 3. So it just clips in real easy. It takes about 2 minutes to put this together. You get the like I said, the 2.5 ounces of the two-stroke oil. You just mix that with 1 gallon of gas. I use another brand of oil, so I had the gas ready to go, and it just does a really phenomenal job. This is the primer right here, so you can see here, and it just gives you instructions. Press to fill the bulb, so they want you to do this 10 times. Then just press the lever to start, and then basically just pull the cord up to 5 times, and then just put the cruise control down. So basically it just does a really phenomenal job, and it goes up to like 200 miles per hour. So this is much more efficient than the 4-stroke one that I had before. That one had a little bit bigger of a motor, but this thing just does great. So again, it's the CRAFTSMAN B2000 2-stroke 25cc leaf blower. So really great item.